you ready for our day 2 lesson? Cool. I'm excited too. Let's get warmed up with some major scales again. This time we'll start off easy with C major. Nice. What about F major? Okay. Why don't you break up the hands? Okay. Yeah. Hey, you did it. Alright. And then the last one we're going to review now is the D natural minor scale from last time. Do you remember the fingerings? I remember you had a little bit of trouble with your right hand, so why don't you start off with that? Just the finger crossing part of it was giving you some trouble. Perfect. And then the left hand. One more time. Ready to try? Maybe one more time, and then we'll do combined. Very good. Okay, so you can continue to practice the D natural minor scale like that at home. Today, we're going to learn a song that incorporates the scale. So I will try to play it first, hopefully. So, you will be able to figure out some of the fingerings that work for you. But there's some chord movement in the left hand, so you can watch for that. And then what the right hand is going to be doing is actually pretty simple. It's just sticking in this first part of the scale with like one shift. And then you might shift here. And then the second 8 measures, we're just switching to the F pentascale. And then at some point you'll switch back. And it's a slow waltz. So. You know what? I'm going to start over. And then here's where the switch occurs. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what's going on with the song. You follow the form markings. There's DC Alfine, so you just go to the beginning and then end here. And so to learn it, as you could see when I was playing it, I was still having some trouble with it. So let's go with the right hand first, just to learn the melody. Oh yeah, this is actually a G. That's yeah, it's a typo. Sorry, I tried to correct it. Good. Was that pretty comfortable for you? Yeah. If you had any trouble with it, sometimes it helps to go in and mark in specific fingerings if there's any questions. So you can do that on your own time when you're practicing it. Let's go over the chords on the left hand then. And these are just all going to be 3 beats each, so that's simple. You're just going to be moving around a little bit. Try that one again. This one? Oh yeah, there you go. Very good. Do you think you can try combining the hands yet? Yes. There you go. That was actually very good for the first time through. So, I think from me playing it and you playing it, obviously the second half of the song is like the tricky part. So when you're practicing it, work on the hands separately, and then maybe just isolate this section too by itself, hands together slowly. And then the last thing that you want to do on your own is work on some of the dynamics. I just put a couple in here, simple ones. Another thing you could do is when you get to you feel like you're really comfortable with the piece, you can add in some of your own interpretations, dynamic markings too. So, like, maybe like a rubato at the end here, or something like that. Could work. Did you have any questions about it? Alright, cool. Well, I think you did really good with it. And keep practicing it, and then we'll do something next time a little bit different.